Alright guys, welcome to the Evil Lair. We have another 30-day challenge, and this one goes out to Legion of Comics. If you haven't checked his YouTube channel, definitely the description's down and below. And for this month, we're going to dive into the mystic realm of magic, from John Constantine to Doctor Strange, Zatanna, and all these other great magical beings out there. And what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to make something disappear, and we're going to build our MacGuffin, if you will, on how to do it. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to make this device right here. It's a temporal displacement device, if you will. And what we'll do is we'll close it, we'll stuff our orange ball in it, and we'll shoot it to another dimension as it goes away. Boom. Disappears. It's all gone. Then we'll close it, then we'll bring it back, put it back into the box, and there it is. We're going to make one of these. And I'm going to show you how to do it, because this is super fun to do for kids and sometimes even adults if they've had a little too much to drink. So definitely, let's make a temporal displacement device. No mirrors, Ma.
Sophisticated, more realizing way. We could start with a bottle of rosé. I want to wake up in my bed, wishing I was dead. I want to give up my consent and stop abstaining. I want to make everybody look like a Picasso painting. I keep everything inside to ignore my problems. Don't tell me to leave the bottle. You should leave the bottle. Now here's a Cadillac on Tuesday, a desperado riding a Mustang down the top box from Colorado. She traded bullets with the law from all four corners, and then merengue all the way across the border. You can take my problems, you can take the long way home. Deja la botella, leave the bottle. You can take my problems, you can take the long way home. Deja la botella, leave the bottle. She's got a thing about standing by her job, and then let's take 3 steps and draw. You should listen to what I said. That one, she's a bad egg. She's been through the mill. She's a regular bag of nails, moonlighting as a hired gun, and all that entails. How's that for being your...
Let's paint it and put it together.
Hear the call of the rebel, yeah. Been riding with the angels as they fell. What does it take to get a drink in this place? Wearing my heart on my sleeve next to the A's. Suicide clutch, I'm ready to charge. Grab the boat by the handlebars. The devil's deeds don't ever come for free. Chasing the sirens, for they chase after me. Will you know? Will you know? Will you know? Baby, I got another trick up my sleeve. Still to the kickstart. I got the jack of all trades in my deck of cards. Ha! What do you say we get on out of this place? Not gonna make no promises if I stay. Will you know? Will you know? Will you know? Baby, I got another trick up my sleeve.
So it wouldn't be a magical box without some magical symbols on it. So I picked these things up for like $1, and what we're going to do is we're going to engrave Doctor Strange and Dr. Fate symbols in it for the box. So that's this part of the video. So now we need to add the magic to it, what makes it magical. So you remember it's empty, but somehow or another I'm able to put something back into it, have the ball come out, right? Super cool. So how do we do that? Well, we cheat. It's perspective, right? So we add a cup to the back that holds the ball. And that's what we're going to add next.
You're searching for a way to make things right. You got your finger on the trigger, lock them in your sight. The wind is at your back, you're taken to the air. The navigation set, there's no turning back from there. Wish for another way to make a better day now. Get out before the walls come tumbling down. Take to the sky. Take back your life. Get out before the walls come tumbling down. Take to the sky. Take back your life.
Okay, did it work? Well, first, check that glowing out. Oh, got Dr. Strange glowy glowy. We got some Dr. Fate glowy glowy. They look like they've been like chiseled in, like they're old, just runes. That's pretty cool. All right, the question is, can we get the effect going? Let's find out. We got my favorite guy here. I'm Batman. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the Doctor Strange forward, because remember we put the cup in, right? So that's gotta stay in the front. Then we take our little superhero. I'm Batman. We're gonna dump him in there. Get in there, superhero. And then whoosh. Nice. Then we bring it back. We should be able to turn it upside down, and he should just fall right out. There it is. I'm Batman. So there it is. So quick pro tips. When you're putting this together, really you're just making a box that's double hinged. Make sure the box moves, right? Make sure your cup is centered over the hole. And yeah. All this other stuff is cool adornments. That's all it really is. Super simple. Kids love it. We tried it with the neighbors' kids. They were just like, and that's just a cool thing to see. So yeah. I think that's it. I'm calling this one done. So we'll get this out to Legion of Comics. Again, big shout out to our musical guest on this one, Forget the Whale. Those cool songs you were listening to, their information's in the description below. I like that kind of sultry soul and blues type singing from a female. I thought that was really cool stuff, and it sounds wicked, so it's nice. It's good stuff. So yeah, there he goes. Let's check the glow out again. Shiny, shiny. Look at this. Ooh, it's almost like it floats. And then, ooh, Dr. Fate. Super cool. All right. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. I gotta get out of here. Until next month's project, I'll see you all later. Bye. Did you know I'm Batman? Oh, come on. Really? Son of a... That's an easy fix. Some people may wonder why it takes me 30 days to make a box on the cup with the back of it. You wanna know why? Because I can't cut a straight line out of wood to save my life. Just like that one over again.